Okay, this is called Burls Burn. U-R says I-R-E-R, and U-R, I'll say So you're going to read along with the story, and then you're going to answer the questions. It says, Burl had a bad burn. He spent too much time in the hot sun. It hurt so bad he wanted to hurl, so he went to see the nurse. The nurse gave him some lotion to take away the hurt. She also reached in her purse for a magic turtle that grew fluffy fur. The fur took away all of Burrell's burn. On Thursday, Burrell got another burn. It hurt so bad it made his eyes blur. So Burrell went to get his magic turtle with the fluffy fur. Once again, the magic turtle's fur made Burrell's burn disappear. So what was the problem in the story? If you need to scan back and listen, go find it, highlight it or underline it, and write it correctly with the correct spelling. Number 2, how does the nurse solve Burrell's problem? So he had a problem, and the nurse solved it. Go back and find out how she solved it. And then 3, list 2 words from the story with 2 syllables. Remember, the syllables are the parts in the word. So, for example, this word here, which is not in the story, so you can't use it. This one is problem. If you clap it, problem, I hear 2 syllables. If I clap out the word the, there's only 1 syllable. So you want 2 parts in the word. So find 2 words in there that have 2 syllables and write them on the line. And then you need to go back and underline all of the UR words with Make sure you find them all. Go back and listen to this for help. Then go check your answers on the answer key. Good luck.